How do you define the ILC2? What had happened the 2 days on 10th and 11th in Nellore of this month? Did you really feel happy with that? And I would like to listen your feedback on what sharEvery has done, and sharEvery became very strong, that we have proved, and in this year by inviting 4 different schools and for making them a part, as you mentioned, community involvement. And what would be your definition or feedback on sharEvery as well as sharEvery deeds, and especially about ILC2?
It's been a great weekend. I'm always going to expect more of you. So yes, we're on next level all the way. And it was funny because I was speaking to the Gordons and I was like, my message didn't hit. My message was like in my head and it was like didn't come. And then when I walked into the building and saw all the people there, I was like, okay. And what I love about what you did was you put multiple generations in the room and you created a way that generations can learn from each other.
Yeah.
And I think that if you keep that model, it's a model for success. So I was very, and being here last year, this year was even better than last year. And last year was great, but this year was even better. And it was just continuing to be, it's a state of evolution. So you're evolving and it's getting better. We're learning what to do, what not to do, and just seeing the community come together. That really, the children being as open as they were, that's my heart. So I think that was good. Keeping them, this year they were more involved in the week, not just in the background. It was more involvement. So keep that as well.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You, Coach.
For me, coming to India for the first time, I had an open mindset. Okay, didn't know what to expect, but wanted to learn, grow, and experience. And it's definitely been an amazing experience this trip, and I look forward to coming back again. And I think that another thing that was really important for me during this time period, what I got out of this experience, is the fact that yes, I came here to share information for those that were in the audience and those attending, but I learned a lot from people in the room. I learned a lot from the students, I learned a lot from the teachers and the leaders that are in the room, and that was great. Okay, so I got filled as well by being here in this experience. So in terms of your leadership, your organization, I see nothing but teamwork, collaboration, working towards that vision. And that's why Gordon Leadership Foundation likes to continue to partner with sharEvery Global Foundation because of the work that you're doing at this period of time.
Excellent.
Yeah, and I'll just add that it was a great opportunity to come to India for the first time. And I was really excited to see how well behaved all the children were. There was no complaining. There was no movement. So I just loved it. I worked in the school for 22 years. And now I'm no longer in the school. Now I work with adults. However, they were so well behaved. Yeah. And I just want to say great job to them. And for all the schools coming together, great job. It was a weekend. No one complained. Great job. sharEvery Foundation, keep doing what you're doing. And I will expect it to be bigger. I will expect it to be better, because I'm not going to put a limit on you, because I know that you are bearing fruit in every season. It's not a certain season, but you will bear fruit in every season. That means you will grow, you will persevere, you will impact this whole nation, right? People all the way on the other side, the north, the south, the east, the west side of India, they will all know about what you're doing, and they will sow into what you're doing. So the experience has been great. So you know what, I really enjoyed the connection with the ladies, and I look forward in coming back many more times.
Thank you so much for your feedback about sharEvery as well as ILC2. I would like to give the whole credit to my team and the partners and the school networking and who have done tireless support, and especially the international speakers you came from. By putting all your efforts and handling all the resources is not an easy task, but we must bow down and in front of you for your generosity and your kindness and love what you put upon us. Definitely we keep remember, and it would wandering again and again in our mind and heart. Thank you so much for coming, and we are expecting you really come every year. My dear viewers, this is the foundation of sharEvery and sharEvery's collaboration with these three foundations. We are going to become one, and if you are interested, don't forget to join your hands. Definitely we are going to see something better and the best. All the time I say like this: think big with sharEvery. Congratulations. Thank you so much.
Thank you.